Welcome back to my channel. This is Disha. So I came back again with a new video. So from few days I think you all watching my vlogs, mostly vlogs. So now I thought to make a little bit skincare video in between of them. Yeah, mostly I'm going to make vlogs and these things, but these things also necessary, na? With vlogs and these things, you should take care of yourself also, skin and these things. So I thought to make a little bit of skincare video because there is a sale in Purplle, Diwali sale. So it's a very huge opportunity to buy many products from Purplle, mostly on all the skincare and makeups and etc. whatever you want. Not only for girls, boys also are there. Many boys can go and buy. They also take care of their skin because skin is very important for everyone. So yeah, on today's video I am going to share few products which I bought from Purplle. It's a huge box, so I will want to share these things what I bought from Purplle, what I bought from Purplle, and I will try to make this short as I can because I don't want to make this video very huge because most of these products are new for me. I heard many good things about this product and I guess you all will also going to love this product. So at first only I will going to start with, and in Purplle this sale you will going to get many things free, buy two get two free, buy one get one free, like this. So it's a very good opportunity for you all to buy things whatever you want from Purplle. So yeah, the first two things which I will going to start with are these two body mist of Body Cupid. Can you see? So these are the two body mist which I bought from Purplle and they are from Body Cupid and I love their smells. Their first purchase, I didn't bought this Body Cupid things from Purplle before. These are the first thing which I bought from Purplle of Body Cupid, and I heard very good very good reviews of these products. Their body mist, like, yeah, Body Cupid body mist lavender, and they smell so good. One is of lavender and another one is of aqua wave, and this is kind of smells like a very aquaish type, and obviously lavender will going to smell like lavender only, and they are very subtle, very refreshing, and it will stay for 3 to 4 hours like this it will stay. And I can say it by using, I am using these things from 2 days only, and they are staying as like 2 to 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours like this. And the packaging I am showing you of one packaging only, and they look very luxurious, but I guess they cost me around 170 or something. The real price is 299. I got it at a very good price. So the packaging is like this. It's a plastic bottle, but it's look very luxurious and it's very well packed, and there is no problem of leakage and these things. Oh my god, it smells so good. The next I am going to show you two very healthy products which is very good for your health. Both of them are green teas of Good Vibes. I heard many good reviews of these products from mostly all of the YouTubers. So I thought I'm watching these teas in many YouTube channels from many days only, like 1 year, 2 years, 1 year. On Corona time only I started watching, and on that time only I guess they launched their tea things on the Good Vibes. Yeah, Good Vibes only, Good Vibes. So on that time only I watched about these things, and most of the YouTubers said they're very good for your health. One is of Good Vibes plus mint and lemongrass, yeah, mint and lemongrass variant. Energizing and refreshing. The mint and lemongrass will going to give you energetic feeling and refreshing feeling. I didn't try it still now, but I heard many good things about this. I will try and going to say you the review in my Instagram stories. And yeah, this time I will be going to do it. So yeah, so one is this one, green tea with this variant, and one is of herbal tea variant. This is tulsi and cinnamon, which will detoxifying your hair, your body thing, detox. It will going to throw out all the detox things from your body, and soothing. It will going to give you a very soothing feeling. Now I will going to show you the mostly the Good Vibes things which I bought from Good Vibes. So firstly I will going to show you two toners which I bought from Good Vibes. One is Good Vibes Vitamin C toner and another one is Good Vibes Rose toner, and I will going to use it now only because I didn't use these toners. From Good Vibes I used green tea, cucumber and rose hip one, I guess. I didn't remember. Rose hip one, green tea one, cucumber one and honey one. I also used the honey variant, and more two are there and they are very new for me. Vitamin C one also, rose one also, and they smells very good. Not very highly smelled thing, but they are very subtle smelled. Yeah. And this Vitamin C one is kind of smell like sorry things like lemon or orange. These things, it smell like that only, and it's very subtle, it's very light, not heavy. And yeah, there are the two things. Then I bought Vitamin C face wash from Good Vibes. Mostly I try to buy Vitamin C products from Good Vibes range. So this is Vitamin C face wash. This is also new for me. I will going to use it and going to say you about this thing. And then I bought, you see these things before also, Rose Hip serum. This is also a very good serum. I will suggest you all to buy this serum because it's a seriously it's a very good serum. It will work very well, and I guess this is my third or fourth bottle. So yeah, the next thing is, what is the next thing? Yeah, there one is Rose Hip face cream. Yeah, one is Rose Hip face cream. I use Rose Hip toner also and serum also. They are very good, so I thought to buy this Rose Hip cream also. And let me show you a bit. It's such a good color, very cute. It's not focusing now, it's focusing. And it smells really like those two products of Rose Hip, like those serums and toner only. And it's also like very smooth, non-greasy. It's very light on your skin, and it will hydrate your skin and also moisturize your skin, but it will not going to feel you like a greasy one. It will not going to feel very oily and greasy thing on your face. It's a very good cream. Because I used this for 2 days, because I got this delivery before 2 days only. Yeah, so I thought to make this video. So the next thing is of aloe vera, this Good Vibes aloe vera gel. I used this before also, and this is a very good aloe vera gel. I'm saying, just believe on my words, it's a very good aloe vera gel. It's no, why it's not focusing, wait, now it's focusing, kind of focusing, whatever. So this is also a very good aloe vera gel. I used 2 to 3 tubs of this aloe vera gel, and it's an awesome aloe vera gel. And yeah, like those Innisfree one is also very good, facial one is also very good, but this one is also very good. Okay, the next thing which I bought is brightening gel cream, Good Vibes rice cream kind of. Yeah, it's a rice cream. It's a very, I heard from many YouTubers that this Good Vibes rice cream is very good, and literally I'm using this for 2 days on morning. On morning skincare only I'm using this rice cream. It's very smooth. It's also give you a hydrating finish, and it smells so good. Oh my god, it smells so good. Literally, like I have one thing of Innisfree, like that only it smells. I didn't remember what is that. In one product of Innisfree only, it smells like this only. That moisturizer one, yeah, maybe I will going to say you afterward. but it smells like some one product of Innisfree only, and it's so subtle, so good, and the product is also very good. The smell doesn't matter, product is matter. Yeah, mainly smell, looks doesn't matter. The what you're getting inside is matter. It is working on you or not. So yeah, the next product is of Good Vibes only. This is food mask of Good Vibes, lavender. I thought to do a bit manicure and pedicure thing. I just want to take care of my foods and hands. I take care of my hands, but mostly I forgot about to do something good for my foods, because I literally don't care about my food. My mom say you should take care of your foods also, because it's a very necessary. Okay, so next thing is also from Good Vibes. There are more two things from Good Vibes. Okay, this and this, two things left from Good Vibes. So this is Orange Blossom softening hand cream. I heard about hand cream mostly from the Korean brands like Innisfree and Face Shop. This is also a very good hand cream, and it's literally moisturizes your hand. Let me apply it a bit. It's a very good hand cream. Yeah, it will moisturize your hand very well, and I'm loving it. And it's don't give you a very oily finish. It's just give you a very hydrating. Good Vibes things is finished. Now I will going to show you the last three product which I have. The thing, oh okay, this is from Minimalist transparent skincare for pore lightening and skin rebalancing, pH 3% biotic toner and face toner, dermatologically tested. And I mainly bought it from, it will, as I watched in many videos and I researched about this product. It says that it will going to, it is kind of chemical exfoliator, a bit, not that very huge quantity, but it will exfoliate your skin, not like that ordinary products one, but it will work for your skin. I heard it, and at first only I don't want to apply that ordinary skincare ka exfoliator, because I don't know it will suit me or not on my skin. It will be good or not. Yes, it's a very good product, but for first time I didn't use any kind of chemical exfoliator before. This will be the first thing which I'm using. So I thought to buy something lighter one first, then I will going to buy something like ordinary product one ka exfoliator. So the packaging is so good. It's feel like homeopathic medicine bottle. Literally it's feel like that. And toner variant exfoliator, I think so. And I heard it also, I researched it also, it will work as a exfoliator. So at first let me use it, then I will going to inform you that how I think I have to wait for a few days, 1 to 2 weeks, then only I can say about this product, because I cannot say na, by using one day only I cannot say it is a good. So yeah, the next product is a Wow. I got it for a free because I bought many products, so I got it free. This is Wow Skincare Nargis body butter. It's a body butter, and I think it's a good deal. It's cost me, the price of it is 500 something. Yeah, it's a 500. It costs 500, but I got it a free. And winter is coming, it will also worthy product for that, because it's a body butter, and on winter we need body butter a lot. So let me show you. Still now I didn't use, my mom used it, and she told me that it's a good product. It's moisturizes skin for many hours only. So yeah, let me show you. The packaging is like this authentic Wow products only, like how the Wow products look like. And it's fully white, and the smell is also very subtle, very soft, and very good. So yeah, I got it for a free, and I am loving it. And there are many products which I got for free, because in Good Vibes it's going like buy one get one free, no, buy two get two free. So it's a very good deal going on in purple. Next and last product which I have is this Plum Be Good Illuminate Simple Supple Cleansing Balm. It's a cleansing balm and I used it for 2 days and I'm literally loving it. Before I didn't use any kind of cleansing balm. At first I used to feel like if I use cleansing balm then my skin will going to very oily, these things, but now I use this cleansing balm. I just become fan of cleansing balm right now because it will not going to make your skin oily. I'm kind of combination skin wala person. Sometimes my skin become dry, but mostly my skin is very oily. So I get scared of those oily things like oils, cleanser, this balm cleanser, then heavy moisturizer. I just get scared of those things. But before using it, I'm loving it. After using it, I'm just loving with this product. It's a very good product, and let me show you how it look like. And it's like this stuff, and I used it a bit, and it's came with this kind of spatula, small spatula. You can dig it out how much you want and take little bit how much you need in your hand, not in extreme quantity, how much you need for your face. Apply it very well, apply it like massaging way. Then just take a cotton pad and rub it as well as you can. Then you can see, but not rub very by pressuring. Don't pressure on your skin, just lightly move your hand and just clear it. Mostly I showed you of this purple product, in the product which I bought from Purple, because there is a huge sale which is going on Purple. On this time you can go and grab few beautiful products which you want, and you will going to get free product. When you will going to open that page, you can see that there is the catalogs of product, like on Good Vibes you will going to get buy 2 get 2 free, or buy 1 get 1 free. On Apps Goodness you will going to get a very good deal on different brand. Recommendation from my side, you can buy this product because they are very good product, and I heard much about this product. So yeah, this is for today's video. If you like my video, then don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want, you can go and follow on my Instagram also, on my Facebook also, and also on my Twitter also. You can follow me over this at the end of my video. If you like my video, then go and like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, more vlogs are coming. Stay updated with me, and more video will going to come. So bye guys.